They say that somewhere beneath the dark waves of the Adriatic, where the sea turns into an abyss, lies a city the sea did not swallow out of greed, but out of revenge. Legends tell that its stone streets and squares once shone under the sun, and the people lived in wealth and splendor, until they angered the sea with their pride. One night, when a storm covered the sky, the sea rose like a living creature. The water surged, swallowed towers and houses, and locked them away beneath its waves. It is said that ever since, on the calmest nights, when the moonlight touches the sea, one can see the shimmer of stone walls in the depths, and hear the sound of a bell from the sunken cathedral. Today, old fishermen and sailors, in taverns along the coast, whisper the stories they heard from their grandfathers. They speak of divers who have seen strange lights beneath the sea, and of how it seemed to them that the scent of incense drifted up from the deep. Others swear they have heard at night a song no human voice could sing, a sound that fills your heart with longing, yet also with an inexplicable fear. And they all agree on one thing: whoever hears that underwater bell never forgets its voice.